So, I made a video of this before, but I'm going to do it again. This is a 48-inch JCPenney universal ceiling fan. I picked this up at Habitat for $15, I believe back in 2023. I mean 2022, that's what I meant to say. And this is one of this I think was the first fan I bought at the new Habitat location when I visited there for the first time. And it is in really good condition. I think out of all the fans I got there, this was probably the one that was in the best of condition. So this is a 48-inch free speed, reversible of course, with a spinner motor. Just gonna film this fan now because I'm thinking of replacing it again, and this is probably one of my favorite installs in the house. It just looks so good here. So if we'll fire it up, do low speed. I had my Hampton Bay Littleton here before I installed this, and the Littleton was nice. It was an older one. It just looked a bit too plain, so I put this up as a bit of a change, hopefully a bit more exciting. And it works. It's more exciting than the Littleton. And it has that nice vintage look to it that I love, so I would like to put a antique brass fan here to match the other two fans, to match this one and the one in there. This is medium speed. It has a pretty fast medium speed. And then high speed. This fan flies on high speed. There's nothing really special about this fan. It's very basic, very simple. It's just a normal, stereotypical 1980s ceiling fan. I think this is early 80s. I'm not going to show spin down or reverse. I just wanted to show this thing on various different speeds. It's been running at medium recently, so we'll drop it back down to medium. I'm going to put a round globe on it, but I like the schoolhouse globe for right now, so I'm going to leave the schoolhouse globe on it for a little while.